Huh? Oh my god. See guys? Slow motion. Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are gonna review something, and because this is our necessity, like, so we bought this from the shop, and then I'm just gonna do some unboxing today. So this is what we're gonna unbox today, and this is massive. No, it's not actually massive, it's just nice and cute. So a hedge trimmer, because our hedging there at front is a bit growing a little bit, so we might need this to trim the hedges. So let's do the unboxing. So this one is called Stihl. Is how do you pronounce this? Stihl. It's DJI-HL. So let's go and find out what's inside. So we bought this from the Stihl shop, and it's I think it's $175. So it's pretty cute. I actually like it. It's not as big as those machineries around. It's perfect for small gardens. So let's do this. I'm just gonna do it like this so you can see. So what we have here inside is a manual, of course. So the model actually is HSA 45. So that's the model number. I don't know if you can see. There you go. And we got actually rechargeable. So we got a charger. Comes with a charger. Now what's this little one? Activation key. This is the activation key. Like, this is locked, so it's you put this in and then it will activate. Like what? It's kind of robot. Activate machine. So plug that inside and then it will work. Actually, you have to press something, I think. So this is the moment. Now that's the handle. Oh, what? I haven't used any of this in my life, because in the Philippines we use the bolo, like we use the bolo, or how do you call that? Like something sharp that we use by hand. So this is really an innovation. So whoever invented this, thank you, because I wish I could put this in my box and just send to the Philippines and then just cut all the weeds out there, not using my human energy. So I think that's the inside of the box. So as you can see, it's very elite. I mean, not elite, petite and small and cute. So it's like it's only short. So it is the blade. So we better take this cardboard off first so you can see better. So that's the cardboard off. This is the handle. That's the, or this actually the handle. That's the blade there. I might just take that blade off. Caution, it's a bit sharp, but just for your, see that? Woo! That's amazing. Now, anything else here? I think that's it. That's what's inside. Yep, that's it. Here we are. Now, let's go to the parts. I actually have a note here, so I review it better. So, this is it. It's very lightweight. So I think this is only, let's have a look how many kilograms. Let's say how many kilograms? 2.3 kilograms. Actually, guys, my husband is my film director here, so mind me if I'm doing these movements, because Actually, this is 2.3 kilograms, so it's very lightweight. It's good for ladies as well. So ladies, there's no excuse not to do the garden. And the charging time is 145 minutes. So in 145 minutes, it's fully charged, and yeah, it's pretty compact and ergonomic, as they say. Anyway, this is the blade. As you can see, that's the blade, and it's very sharp. And at the end of the blade, the pruning system, this is a single-sided precision ground, what's called double-sided cutting blades, produce a clean cut when trimming hedges, 33 degrees cutting angle, cutting twigs up to 55 millimeters thick. So it can cut 5 millimeters thick. So that thick. So yeah. Anyway, now this part here, this is the protection. Like if you are, no, actually, yeah, it is a protection, but as well, it's a hook where you can just hang it up in the garage like that. Because yeah, it just hangs like that. And also, this black thing here is a protection if you are trimming hedges that's close to a wall or concrete, so it doesn't break any walls or concrete. And then what's this one here? It's not as complex as the other machines. So let's turn it around. Where is the key? Oh, let's proceed with the key. Anyway, I'll show you first the charge level indicator. So this is the charging time. It's got some light there, will flash, either it's green or red or anything. And then this is the on, but the on, I think this is the on one. We will see, we'll find it out which one's on. And now let's go to the activation key. Is you know this little green thing I showed you before, this one? This goes here, this goes here, and then it will activate. And let's start trimming. So let's better try. Do not try this at home with no parental guidance if you're a minor. So we'll plug that in. How do you plug that in? What? Am I doing it right? Oops. Which one's which? Now, hold here as it's shown in the, so it's, I presume it's on, and then turn the power on. No, here. Ow. So anyway, guys, let's try this. What's this? This one and this one. You put your here, and then this one here, and what's this? What? Oh my god, this is funny. This is my very first time. So you press all three buttons here in the arm. This one, one, and this one as well. So this actually one goes up and down. So I presume that's the on button or stop.
Safety precautions.
Safety precaution. Oh my god, my arms. It's only light, but I already had a crook shoulder. So anyway, let's start. What? Huh? Oh my god. See guys, slow motion. We will try this outside, and stay tuned guys, because this is exciting. I got my hair with this. Oh, anyway, don't copy this at home, but if you are a minor, just have a parent with you when you do this. So actually,
that's the trigger only. That's it.
Huh?
Safety, 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 and that's the trigger on and off.
This one.
Bottom is the trigger.
Oh, you gotta turn this on.
All time. And the bottom's the trigger.
Oh, the bottom one is the where you got it running.
And you pull the key off, does it work?
And then, see that? Can you see it? Look. Oh yeah. Ah. So you press this up and put your hand this down, this up, and this one together, and it will run. And then if you take this thing off, the activation key, it won't work at all. Okay, so keep the children safe. Always take it off when not in use. So guys, what do you reckon? I think it's gonna be good. So every time you use it, always put oil to lubricate or so it doesn't rust. So it says here, read the manual, not to use over 50 degrees Celsius, don't get it wet, or what else in there, I don't know. Anyway guys, let's try it on. So stay tuned for the next video because we're gonna be trying it on outside. Thanks guys for watching, and it's really a good buy. I think it is. So thanks guys for watching. Bye.